What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. If you're new here, go down below and hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Today's an exciting video for me. We are revealing the new lift kit that we're putting on the Fortune. It's been a long time coming. I'm super excited to show you guys what we're doing, and I'm also super happy that the Fortune build is finally underway. Definitely in time crunch now because there's a lot of stuff to put on the truck, lots of parts to get painted, get powder coated, or just get thrown on the truck in general. We're filming multiple videos at the same time, so now it's nighttime, so I'm doing the unboxing, and then we're going to get into doing some powder coating, so I'm going to film another video tonight after this one. So it's pretty hectic right now. It's stressful and it's insane. But anyways, let's get to unboxing the new lift, which is right here on the workbench. Quite a few boxes. I did open up the box with the shocks just to make sure they weren't leaking, and I did open up one of the boxes of the arms because I want to take a sneaky little peek at them. But everything else I haven't opened up yet, so let's go ahead and unbox them and look at them together. Well boys, where do I start with this one? I'm not really sure, but I was just sitting here for about 10 to 15 minutes in awe and shock, just admiring the lift and the quality of it. I want to give a huge shout out to RI-Fab for putting out a high quality lift at an affordable price. If you look on the market, airlifts, they're not cheap, we all know that, but his is the most affordable on the market without skipping out on the quality, which you guys will see here in a minute. So huge shout out to RI-Fab for working with us on the Fortune build. I'll put their website on the screen here as well as in the description if you guys want to check them out. And also go give him a follow on Instagram at RI-Fab. I'll put it in the description down below. He posts all of his work on there as well as all the SEMA builds are doing, which this here is a freaking lot, which is really awesome. But let's go ahead and dive into the lift. So to start off, we have our beautiful Fox shocks right here, which right now they're not easy to come by, nor are they cheap. I've always wanted to go with Fox, just never wanted to spend the money on them. But with this build, we're going all out, so we went with Fox shocks. You can see right here we have our steering stabilizer shocks, which we went with dual on this one. And it's nice that he labeled them for us so we know exactly which ones are which. Like these ones, he put the brackets in them, so that way we know that they're the fronts. Obviously, we went with freaking resis on the fronts. On the backs, we just went with a single 2.0, which might upgrade the resis later on. I'm not sure yet, but for right now, these are going to do good. We got our clamps right here and our stickers. We got some RI-Fab stickers as well. Right here are going to be the two upper 4-link arms, control arms. Right there, we have our two lowers, which I'm going to pull out one of them. Okay, we are back. Sorry, my camera battery decided to die on me. So right here, we have a show style long arm. He also sells the DOM tubing style long arm if you're trying to save a little bit of money. But these are CNC cut, and if you look at the welds, they're just pretty dimes all the way consistently through. And trust me, it doesn't stop here. It's like that on every single piece. So as you can see right here on the freaking lift blocks for the rear, you can see the welds are just as clean. So these are our lift blocks to the rear. Like I said, we only did half. So we are replacing the front half. We're taking out the coils, and because right now they look like straight bananas. I'll put a photo up on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about and how bad they were. I see it a lot in Fords with a banana like that, but never in a Dodge. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have seen that. The technician on the phone told me that it's really common with lifts. He's seen it a lot or whatever, but I don't like that. I think it looks really bad and doesn't look safe. So I wanted to replace it with airbags. The truck is a 3500, so it's got leafs in the back like you saw the lift blocks. So in order to do the rear end correctly, I'm going to take it to him. That way he can weld on everything, and that way it's completely safe, and that way I don't have to worry anything, especially with having the baby in the car. It's just nice to have the peace of mind to have everything done correctly and have it welded on instead of bolted on. Just a lot safer. Then next we have our long arm drop brackets right here. Nice CNC cut logo. And like I said, the quality does not stop. This will be your passenger side, your driver side. These are the bag mounts. He labels them. Driver side, so this is your upper and your lower. There's an awesome little tab inside of here that'll tie into your end link, so that'll be nice and secure. We have our bags right here. These are Firestones. Back here we have our U-bolts with washers and the nuts on them. Right here is going to be our dual stabilizer bracket, and then we have two of the other little brackets that you'll need as well to tie onto the tie rod. And then all right here we have all our hardware, nice labeled. So we got drag link, left-hand thread link heims, oiled threads. This one right here will be frame brackets to the frame, track bar right hand, track bar bolts, drag link bolts. Everything you're going to need in this kit is included. Super nice. You can also order the full kit too. So say you want to do full air ride, like you have a 2500 and you want to do full air ride, which 2500s is coils in the back, not leaf springs. Then you can order a complete kit, which comes with air tanks, air management, air box to mount it up where your spare tire goes, the controller, everything you need. He makes it super easy though. You just go to RI-Fab.com, select your truck, select what lift kit you want. So say if you want a full air ride, you click on that, select your size. So for me, I went 10 to 12 inch, and then everything will be included in the kit that you need. And if you want to do coilovers and then airbags in the back, you can order just the rear kit. Or say you don't like groceries at all and you want to go old school, you can order a normal lift kit too. You can order a leveling kit. They sell just long arms if you want to get just those, or a new track bar, or you can kind of piece together your lift as you go, kind of like what I'm doing. No matter what though, they have it all. They have DIY kits. They have literally everything. Plus Kevin's probably in his lab right now coming up with something new. That's one thing I really like about him and his company, is they're always coming out with the newest and the greatest, and also the showy style stuff that looks good and it makes you just want to spend the money and buy the stuff. But again, huge shout out to RI-Fab. Check them out, RI-Fab.com. I'll put a link down below. Check them out on Instagram, give them a follow, RI-Fab. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of it. I'm super pumped to finally have it out of the box. It's been sitting in the corner over there for about a month, and it's been killing me not to open it, other than one long arm to see what they look like, and also the shocks to make sure they aren't leaking. But I wanted to wait to experience it with you guys on camera. I am super exhausted, so I'm gonna go hit the hay for the last hour before I have to get up and go to work tomorrow. But next video, we're gonna be powder coating it and then getting it on the truck, the video after that. So I'm super excited. If you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you're new here, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Super excited that I can't talk. I am so tired. Oh. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know.